My Themes is one of the customization options under My NavigateLA. You can access it by clicking on the Advanced Options button while logged into your My NavigateLA account. It contains a list of all your previously saved themes, which are used to save the layer definitions of your map. A layer's definition refers to its visibility and transparency settings in the Table of Contents panel. Visibility is determined by the checkbox next to a layer's name, and transparency is determined by the transparency toggles at the top of the Table of Contents panel or next to a base map's name. To load a theme, click on its name, and it will be restored in the Table of Contents panel and on your map. If you have many themes, you can use the filter box to find the one you need more easily. If you use a theme frequently, you can set it as your default by clicking on the gray check mark next to its name. It will turn green and NavigateLA will automatically load it every time you log into your account. To test it, you can refresh your page, and it will load the layer settings for that theme. Quick access to your themes is also available through the Themes shortcut button, located on the top right corner of the NavigateLA window, along with two shortcut buttons for bookmarks and projects. To remove a theme as your default, click on the green check mark so that it reverts back to gray. To permanently delete a theme, click on the red X next to its name. At this point, it should be mentioned that My Themes only gives you access to your previously saved themes, but does not allow you to create them. To create a theme, you must click on the blue return arrow and use the Save My Environment As option. This will be covered in the Save My Environment As video, so make sure to check it out. We've now covered the My Themes option in detail. If you need to review any of the My NavigateLA options, including My Themes, click on the Help button on the top right corner of the Advanced Options panel to view a summary. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen: eng.navsupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.